Morning guys, June 26, 2023. Looks like, look at it, it's gonna start raining here. Got a call from daycare. Well, I guess one of the ACs is down. So, I'm gonna go by there and see what's going on with it. I think it's just the one I just changed the fan motor on it. The unit in the attic there. That one don't seem to be working. Said she had it off for a while and tried turning it on. The outside unit's not running. There is a high limit reset on that thing. I told her to try pushing it in and haven't heard back from her, so I'm gonna go over there and see what's going on with it. A lot of old equipment in this place. Trying to keep the stuff running, you know, the best I can here, and I'll try to get you some shots if I can over there. You can figure out what's going on with it. Bad capacitor or something. Seems like it's pulling in. It's not pulling it in, so I gotta go upstairs and find out why. Not pulling it in. Here. Okay. That's low and high pressure, right? Got low and high pressure switches. I bet you that might be what it is. Low pressure, high pressure switches on this thing. See if we got power coming in on no voltage. Got no voltage coming in. That's on amps. No volts. Well, something's going on upstairs. Got power here. Let's see if we got power on Red and Common. We should have power going down to the thermostat and then back here. We know the thermostat's calling unless that sub base is no good. I've seen that before. Put this on volts AC. Volts AC. Let's see, between Red and Common, I got no voltage there. Huh. Something tripped it. Transformer's got no voltage. I think this has a fuse in the flipping thing. Whoa. What the hell's up with that? That was awful flipping loose there. That was awful loose. Common fell right off of there. You see that? That's for the gas valve. Got no power coming in here. That's kind of odd. I got no voltage there. Everything seems fine here. I don't see anything hitting. I think there's an overload switch in here. I remember right. I'll have to go check, see if the power's on to this thing. The switch is on there. There's somebody playing around on so they're all on. They're all on too. Huh. AC unit. I'll have to call the electrician on that one. I'm not sure if there's another panel here.
Call me in a few minutes?
Yeah, as soon as I find out what's going on with this thing, I'll call you.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
bye. Why don't we have power? That's what I want to know. We should have power. Whoa. Whoa. Wire's all fucking burnt in there. Yeah, you better get over here. The wire's all cooked inside this control.
Inside the fan control?
Behind the fan control, all the wires are black in there. I'm gonna shut the power off to it, but you better get over here and fix this fucker.
Alright.
It's inside. All the wires are fried in there.
Inside in the junction box?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, what the hell happened there?
I don't know. It's all kind of melted and shit. So, you want to come by and look at it?
Yeah, I'll come over right now. But do you have the fan control? No.
I do have one if I need one. I don't think it's that. I think it's the wires are all fried.
Okay.
Yeah. All right.
All right.
Yeah. Bye.
I'll be right over. All right. Bye.
All right. So I got it off there. I think it's just these wires are all cooked. Electrician's coming over. Look at that. Yeah, you can see the wires disconnected right there. Let him play with this shit. Not my doing. Looking joke. He's coming over right now and we'll straighten this out. Fucking mess. I'm not a licensed electrician. I'm not supposed to be playing around with this shit. I mean, if he wasn't around, I would, but I got it. Look at all the flipping wires are melted in there and shit. Nice.
That's weird, huh?
Yeah, so that's why probably.
Oh, yeah.
She's not feeding.
I wonder if that's why the fucking motor burned out, too.
No, because I had power going to the motor. Had power going to the motor, but it wasn't spinning. So yeah, she's pretty.
It's all the hots.
It's all the hot.
That fucking wire nut melted right off.
Might have been loose, huh?
Probably.
Loose as a goose.
That's your...
Weird.
That's weird. That one.
That feeds that fan cycle switch. I need that.
Right.
That might be a wire we could just replace. Take that fan cycle switch out of there.
Yeah, it looks like it's pinched anyway, so yeah, there's plenty of slack.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah, it looks like...
Maybe that's why it fried. But it didn't trip the breaker.
That's weird. Well, I think it was just a loose connection, right?
Just a loose connection heated up?
Yeah.
No, because I had power going to the motor, but it wasn't. It would spin and then not spin, spin and not spin. I changed the capacitor, and it still wouldn't work, so I put a new motor in it.
Right.
But when I came today, I had no...
Yeah, see, it wasn't... It was like pinched in between there, so yeah, we can save this real quick, Steve. That's easy.
We could just clean it up and we'll probably be fine, right?
Yep. Yeah, that's your fan switch for you.
I mean, if you weren't around, I would have tried doing it myself, but seeing that you were
that's okay.
close by, I'll let you...
This one is the feed coming in.
Let you be the hero.
Right. It definitely was a loose connection. That's how hot it got.
Yeah, that shit gets hot and that's it, huh?
Yep. Well, it fucking melted the wire nuts. That thing was frying for a while. Look at how hot this should just...
Wow.
Should just strip right off.
That thing is on there. Making it look difficult, guy.
I know. Alright, and then this one is what's feeding the air control. Yeah, it's easy.
What's that? That's feeding the transformer.
Yep.
That was the one that was without issue.
Power, right?
Yeah. You got 3 and then the one on the top and then we should be good, right?
Yep.
Hopefully. Flipping hot up here.
Fuck, I know. When you told me up here, I was like, oh, dude. Well, yeah, this isn't bad.
You got the same watch as me. You got that Fitbit?
Fitbit, yeah. Keeps my...
I like it.
Yeah, it's fun, isn't it?
You like it?
I love it.
Just tap on it.
It even tells me how far, because I've been swimming, like I mentioned.
It tells you how far on the swimming.
Yeah. It tells you everything. Your heart rate, your sleep.
Yeah, I got the same thing, so. Well, hopefully that would turn the power on and that's alright. Yeah, she was flipping cooked. I'll show you that yellow wire I was talking about. I mean,
right, so
put all that shit back in. We'll try it. Everything's
okay.
hooked back up, right?
Yeah. Let me just. You got my flashlight?
It's right there.
Oh. Alright, so nothing else is pinched.
Everything else looks good.
We got rid of that pinch.
Don't forget.
That's good.
I gotta tuck this wire in too. All this fucking shit.
That's good.
So, pretty busy there.
That's good.
I think you gotta do that top one there. There you go. You need a screwdriver?
Alright, got nothing pinched. It's like a little off. Yeah, there we go.
You're a little flipping off.
Oh, that's for sure.
Alright, that's good.
Before we go any further, let's flip that.
Ready?
Yep.
There it goes. And here's the yellow that was disconnected. That's coming from the thermostat, and then this is the yellow that goes out, and then here's the common. So this yellow was just disconnected off of here. So what I did is I just put this jumper on there. This right here is just a jumper. Okay. See it?
Yeah, yeah.
Well, that's why it wouldn't.
I thought this was made up. I would be surprised.
Well, let's make sure this is tight.
Yeah, no. That's fine. But I mean, you know, because you're an old school guy, that's just a terminal spot.
Yeah, I know. I figured it out. Well, you're trying to throw me a curveball on me.
I don't think that yellow wire...
It was. You must have hit it and it fell off because it was connected under this white one. See this white one? Yep. It was under there, and it's
yeah. So I mean, it's been working since you put the motor in. So
yeah. So I just put this little connector on there instead of trying to get this wire under there.
Right. No, I agree.
Now,
but you know what I'm saying. I mean, that's just
all this shit was loose too.
I just want to make sure. I mean,
yeah. Make sure everything's tight.
You know, everything.
It's going to work now.
Yep. Everything.
All right, so we had to burn electrical wire fixed. Oh, I don't get mice in here.
I get fucking mice in mine all the time.
See, so now it's running.
Yeah?
Yeah, she's nice and sweaty.
They're good.
Well, I mean, next time make sure that the nuts are tight. You got a couple of screws loose. Alright, we'll see ya. Alright, just have to turn the thermostat back down when we get out of here. Turn it back up because I turned it down. Put it to 70. We'll put it to 70. 72 will be fine.